Toronto doctor shares images of lungs to show how COVID-19 is brutalizing young people. France summons Chinese envoy over unacceptable insults. Brazilian Jews file complaint over politician who said Jews sacrifice children. Polish writer facing prison for calling president moron. New COVID-19 variants caused reinfection of about 1,400 people in Czech Republic. Pakistan buys 1 million vaccine doses from China. Biden admin sanctions Chinese officials for abuses against Uyghurs. The Treasury Department also announced sanctions against military leaders in Myanmar for a campaign of violence and intimidation against peaceful protesters. UN warns famine will soar in Syria, Yemen, Venezuela, 17 more countries in next month.